Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today your girl is going to be using the All Shine On Me nail tips and glue set by Born Pretty. My nails are a hit. I have been giving them a little break because they are pretty damaged, but I do need some nails on. I do have a Zoom meeting in the next day or two, so I want to be on here with my nails done. And of course, Born Pretty came through with this kit. So if you want to see me prep my nails quick and easy, then just keep watching. First of all, I miss y'all. I feel like I really don't talk on camera anymore. I feel like I'm always doing voiceovers. So I thought this was a perfect time for me to hop on here and just chit chat with y'all while I do my nails. First and foremost, I just want to point out that Born Pretty does have contact information on here in case anything is wrong with your product. You can email them, message them. They do have a customer service that is wonderful. So this is the first time I'm using this product, the first time I'm seeing it and opening it, and I decided to do that on camera with you guys. I was just going to haul this in a haul video, but y'all know I love Born Pretty. So I'm opening it up on camera with you. Per usual, instructions does come with a manual guide for the nail dryer. This reminds me of the overly priced Kawaii nail lamp, so I'm happy to get that. Here you have some tip guides. You get 2 packs of those. It look like it might be about 50 or maybe even 30 in each pack. It doesn't say. Your cord. You get some nail art with a sponge tip applicator, nail file, and of course the lamp. Yes, this lamp looks just like that lamp. What else they have in here? Oh, excuse me, I had to sneeze. Okay, and then they have Born Pretty 6-in-1 nail glue. So we got that, and let's see what the tips are looking like. Oh, these are actually tips, nail tips. Oh, they're trying to get your girl to wear acrylic. Can't wear no acrylic right now. Let me see how I'm gonna finesse this, and I will be right back. Okay, when I got off camera and I prepped my silicone hand, I did notice that it comes with different tips. So here you have some ballerina nail tips. I think I'm going to be using those on the silicone hand. And then you do have some square tips. And here we have some C-curve tips that are long. It's about maybe a 2X. And here we have some square tips. And we have some more C-curve tips. I think these might be, I don't know if they're the same size. Yes, they're the same size. And then here there are some full cover tips. These are the like 1X, maybe 2X coffin and a ballerina, you could say. We have the full square, and again I guess 2 of each. So I'm going to be using these, and I guess we will do some acrylic. So I'm going to be quiet and let you guys watch me use everything here. I know you guys hate the little music. If you know how they playing the modern music over the videos, let me know, because I be out here struggling with the little bit of music that I can play. All right, so I'm gonna just go in with the 6-in-1 glue. I did find some full cover tips. I'm gonna turn the little light on ahead of time. Only thing I wish is the cord to the lamp was a little bit longer. I had to finesse some stuff to get it plugged up. Okay, y'all, I had to switch over to a voiceover. My toddler came down, and if you're a mom, then you sympathize with me. You know what went down. She was loud, and she took over my workspace. So here I'm just going in with the 6-in-1 glue. I'm applying it inside the full cover nail tip, and then I'm just going to adhere the full cover tip to my nail, placing the false nail to my cuticle area and then pushing down, which is going to cause the glue to go up, giving me that smooth application with no bubbles in the inside. And I just go straight in and put it underneath the lamp. This did not take long to cure at all. I did cure it for about a full minute before I removed it out of the lamp. So when I take it out of the lamp, you'll be able to see how smooth the application is. It's really, 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 really nice and cute. These are ballerina tips, full cover tips, and they are a 2X. Really nice. Here you see I was about to add the product on my nail. I'm glad I caught that. And then I just went in and just repeat this process. You guys can watch me repeat the process here. Really easy, putting it at the cuticle area and then pressing down. Everything from here on out as far as adding the tips are pretty much the same. These full cover tips are actually really, really nice. All the tips I have in my collection, I honestly don't have any like this. They actually curve slightly around the middle of the nail. So it's giving like a little bit of a curved nail, which I actually like. So like I said, I'll show you what everything looks like when they come out. I had no idea what I wanted to do. I know I didn't want to use the chrome color powder that came in the kit because I wanted to try something a little bit different that I haven't done on my channel for you guys to see. So this is what they look like after all the nails are on. Really, really cute, amazing quality. Here, I'm just showing you guys the pigment that came in it. I'm not going to open it. I'll actually just add this inside my giveaway box that I keep in my nail studio. That way I can give it away to someone in an upcoming giveaway. But yeah, these look nice. Like I said, you can walk out the door just like this. You don't have to get really extravagant. I'm about to get extravagant, and I was feeling some Kawaii nails. So I just go in with a clear base and cure this in the lamp for 60 seconds. And then we're going to come back and get to Kawaiiing these nails. So starting out, I'm going in with this nice, beautiful brown chocolate color here. I'll insert a picture here somewhere what my inspiration was. I knew I wanted to go in with Kawaii charms, like I said previously, but I have so many I didn't know which charms I wanted to go in. So I narrowed it down to my ice cream 3D charms that are Kawaii, and I went with that. So here I did start out with the chocolate. Here is like a French tip white color with some pink, and I'm just blending the colors in. This is not my most perfect blend, but it's going to work. And now you just see me cleaning up the sides with a little bit of acetone, and I think that looks good. I'm going to cure this in a lamp. I like to cure my thumb before I go in and work on the rest of my fingers when I'm doing my own nails, just because I always bump my thumb on something. So this part here, like I said, is pretty repetitive. I'm just going in and creating that same blend throughout all the nails. This is actually my first time ever making Kawaii nails on myself. I have made numerous for press-on nails, but as far as me going out of my way to do some on myself, this is the first time. Don't ever get too hard on yourself with gel polish. I know we all tend to stay away from gel polish because it is pretty tricky to use at times, but I've just learned to go in and paint the nail, and at the end of the day, before you cure it in the lamp, you can always go in and clean it up. It's not like regular gel polish where you put it on there and once the air hit it, it dry down and it's stuck. So don't be intimidated by gel polish. Go in, experiment with it. I have, and I'm telling you, I have like mastered blending colors together. You guys saw the baby shower nails that I did. Everyone's like, oh my gosh, how did you do that? I just perfect blending the colors together. That is it. I'm not really good at nail art, but I really do finesse a lot with gel polish. So people don't know. They buy my press-ons. They like them. And that's just that. I'm really liking how this brown is looking. I cannot wait to wear this on my nails by itself. This color is stunning. So yeah, I'm just going in. Like I said, I know I said this before, but just repeating this process. I didn't want to take anything out. I wanted you to see how I overflood my cuticles with the gel polish. And at the end, you really got to just trust the process. I can't tell you how many times I've started doing nails and midway through, I just scrap them because I'm like, this shit is ugly. And then I'll go back to doing the same thing the next day, and then I finish the process. And I'm like, oh, these are nice. And then other people like them. So trust the process. Sometimes we are our own worst critics. I'm telling you. I can't tell you how many times I've looked at my nail stuff and was like, I'm not doing nails anymore, or I don't want to do nails anymore. But then I draw myself right back to it because at the end of the day, it is therapy for me. I think doing nails is great for anxiety. Doing nails is great for depression. Doing nails is just great to soothe yourself. It not only makes your client feel better if you do nails on other people, but it also makes you feel better that you're creating something that makes someone else feel better. I don't mean to preach to y'all, but I'm just expressing how I feel about being creative and doing nails and the therapy that comes along with it. So here's the finished look. I think this look really good. Wherever I see fit that I need to blend a little bit of white in so that it actually looks like a marble chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry ice cream, I do that now at this point. But yeah, it looks really, really good. I'm going to throw these inside my lamp and cure them in the lamp for 60 seconds. After I cure them in the lamp for 60 seconds, I do take them out and put them back in for an extra 60 seconds. You don't have to, but that's just me being extra. I just feel like when I clump together a few colors of acrylic, I might have like, you know, chunks of gel in there somewhere, and I want to make sure it's cured all the way at the bottom. So here, your girl done pulled out her Kawaii charm box, and these charms are so cute. Off camera, I didn't want to be fiddling and trying to figure out which one I wanted. So here I'm just going in with Born Pretty Super Top Coat as usual and applying this all over my nails. And then I'm going to throw my nails back inside the lamp and cure them for a full 60 seconds. And then we're going to come back and add some of the Kawaii charms. Okay, at this point, my nails are dry, and now I'm just going to go in with the 6-in-1 glue. I already have the little lamp ready to go. One thing with the charms, when they're big like this, you want to make sure you put a nice amount of glue on there to hold the charm on. Here, I'm just placing the ice cream cone on the nail, making sure not to overlap it over my cuticle area, drying it in the lamp for 1 full minute, and just repeating the process. I tried to pick out not snow, girl, what are you talking about? I tried to pick out ice cream cones that were chocolate, strawberry, and vanilla if I could. So yeah, I think I did a great job at trying to like filter through, because I have a bunch of charms. It could be a bit overwhelming when you're trying to pick out nail art for you or somewhere else. So I just did that off camera. And like I said, making sure not to cover up the cuticle area. I did notice I was looking at some nails and you couldn't see the cuticle area. I don't think that looks good. I think you want to pull the charm down slightly, just so that when you're looking at the nail or someone else, you can actually see the cuticle area of the nail. Glue, really, really easy to work with. It dried really fast. This is a strong holding glue. So yeah, I cure it here, each one for a full minute, and then off camera, just to make sure everything is extremely dry, I put my hand inside my big lamp and cured it for another 60 seconds, because as you can see, I went in with a lot of glue. So I wasn't going to put a charm on my thumb, but I was like, you know what, why not? You can't do 4 without doing your thumb. So here I just went in with the glue, and now I'm going to add my cone to my thumb, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay, y'all, I have to make this outro really, really quick. I did add some cuticle oil. Let me show y'all what it looked like here. Try to move this out the way. I think they came out really, really cute. I wish I can do my other hand, but I do have clinical in a couple of days, so I would have to take the nails off anyway in like 2 or 3 days. I could finesse it for my Zoom meeting. I just won't talk with my left hand. But these are super cute. I will leave the link to the all-in-one quick building kit down below. You can achieve quality nail salon nails at home using this kit. So yeah, really easy. Let me know what y'all think down below. This is given chocolate, strawberry, and vanilla ice cream on a cone. Yeah, don't forget to like, and most importantly, subscribe. I will check you guys out in my next video. Check out the description box for everything. Bye.